Hey guys, today I want to show you some tips to make rollover car wash machine works better. Number one, wipe the photoelectric switch twice a week. Sometimes photoelectric switch will be blocked by mud or water stained, which will disturb the running of car wash machine. So we need to check regularly to make sure the mirror face of the photoelectric switch is always clean. Number two, put grease on each chain every 2 weeks so that the machine can work smoothly. Number three, check the proximity switch every week. Check the distance between every proximity switch and steel plate. Make sure the distance is about 3 to 5 millimeters. Then, test if the proximity switch of vertical brushes works. Just push the vertical brush like this. Then, you can see the LED lights of the two proximity switch. If any of them doesn't shine, it means there is something wrong with the proximity switch. Then you need to adjust the distance or change a new one. Open the high pressure water wax and foam system to see if the spray nozzles are blocked. This is Thomas, an expert of car wash machine.